So I just got this three-piece colander set to replace my old plastic ones that were starting to break down. The set was gifted to me, so I'm very grateful to receive it. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at them, and then we'll try them out as well. First off, I love how they nest together, which is going to make storage easy, as I'll be able to stack them rather than taking horizontal storage space. The set comes with three different size colanders, and each have a stainless steel meshing reinforced with additional wire framing, and there's a base to keep the colander sturdy when resting on the countertop. Each colander also comes with a pair of handles for you to hold on to while washing and sifting, but the handles can also be used to sit in your pot if you want to steam your food. Here I'm just doing a quick check on the measurements for each basket. The smaller basket has a 3-quart capacity, the medium one has a 4-quart capacity, and then the largest one has a 5-quart capacity. I'm going to test a couple of these out. I have some grapes here that need to be rinsed. I'm actually holding this with one hand because I have the camera in my other hand. But you can see the colander is very strong and sturdy. And with the mesh design, you can see the water straining through. And then here I'm testing the handles with a large basket of cherry tomatoes. I actually like the handles a lot. I can't wait to use these for when I make pasta, as well as for steaming and for frying. These colanders are very versatile, and although they're lightweight, the additional stainless steel wiring makes them very sturdy, and you could see it was able to hold the weight of all of my tomatoes.